Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. My dear students, we are learning about one of the very important organ system of our body which controls the entire and all functions of our body, and that is our nervous system. So my dear students, till in last few videos we have prepared 4 to 5 videos about this lesson, and in these parts of the videos we have studied the two important what is nervous system that we have studied, and we also have studied about the two important parts of the nervous system. One is the brain and second one is the spinal cord. So in last video, okay, now two parts of our nervous system are we have completed them. What we have completed? The brain and about the spinal cord. Now what remains? The third part of our nervous system is remaining. So in this part of the video, we'll try to have some basic and important information about the nerves. So before we proceed with the nerves, let me remind you about the spinal cord. Spinal cord is nothing but it is the thick bundle of the nerves. It starts from the lower part base of the brain to the lower end of our spine or lower end of our body. It is protected by the vertebral column. And now this is the time to learn about the nerves. We will have some basic information about the nerves. So what are nerves? The nerves are long thread-like structures. It looks like the threads. So we can say the thread-like structures which carry the messages between the brain and the various parts of the body. So what are nerves? Nerves are the medium between the brain and the parts of our body. Parts of the body or various parts of the body, they do so many things. Okay, if we will ask you to do certain things, can you do it by your own? Because you don't have that much knowledge, so sometimes you need the guidance. So the teacher is a medium. Okay, because of the teacher, you get to know about about so many things. So all the knowledge is passed on by the teacher. Okay, and because of that, as per the teacher or as per your mother and father, as per their guidance, you behave. The same thing will happen to our body also. So our parts of the body, various parts of the body, they also require the guidance. So the guidance is given by the brain, but someone should be there to carry this guidance or this information to the parts of the body, and for that purpose only we have the nerves. Okay, so what are nerves? The nerves are the thread-like structures which carry the messages between the brain and the other parts of the body. Here you can see the large network of the nerves. Now my dear students, nerves are made up of the special cells. These special cells are called as the nerve cells or neurons. Our body has the network of the nerves to carry the messages from the brain to the other parts of the body. This already I have told you. The next thing is that, my dear students, nerves carry messages from the body parts through the spinal cord to the brain. Whatever the messages given by the brain are also carried by the nerves, and whatever the messages need to carry to the brain, these are also carried by the nerves only. So nerves do both the things, carries messages to the brain and carries messages from the brain to the parts of the body. There are 3 types of the nerves. Okay, what are the 3 types of the nerve? The first one is the sensory nerves, second one is the motor nerve, and third one is the mixed nerves. So first of all, about the sensory nerves. Sensory nerves carry the messages from the parts of the body, from the sense organs to the brain, and because of that we are able to react to our surroundings, or else we come to know what is happening in our surrounding. So sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organ to the brain. This is the sensory nerves. Second type of the nerves are the motor nerves. These motor nerves brings the messages from the brain to the muscles. Body movements, we are able to move our body or parts of the body because of the motor nerves, because these motor nerves carry the various messages or brings the messages from the brain to our muscles. Because of these motor nerves, these cause the muscles to contract and expand. These are responsible for the actions taken by our body. And we have the third type of the nerves. These are called as the mixed nerves. So sensory nerves carry the messages from the parts of the body to the brain. Motor nerves carry the messages from the brain to the parts of the body. And we have the third type of the nerves, and these are called as the mixed nerves. Mixed nerves pass the signal between the sensory nerves and motor nerves. Coordination of these two nerves is possible because of the mixed nerve. These nerves carry the messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. So this is about the third type of the nerve, that is the mixed nerves. So in this part of the video, we'll stop here. Thank you so much.